Maybe we will dance for a fever. What is this? Ah, okay. Opening the box. Oh, sorry. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god! 홍중이! Woo! Captain! Yay! Ah, go Jungwoo! Oh my god, I finally got you sung! Ah, I'm so happy I got this. Woo! Finally! Oh my gosh! And I got Jungwoo! Yay! Haribo! Our baby bear! Our magne! Yay! This is an epic moment. An epic, epic moment. Okay, I'm happy. This is the CD. Oh my god, I've got like all of them! Holy shit! Ah! So this is the captain. And, oh, Sungwa! Oh my god! Ah! This is Deja Vu era. Sungwa. They were so hot. Oh my god. This is what made me fall in love with ATEEZ. Deja Vu. Michuga. Oh, Yo-Yo. No, you get deja vu. Da, 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 da. Oh my god. Da, 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 da. Oh, deja vu. Deja vu you sung with something else, with his abs and his hair. Oh my god, I love it. Sunny! Do you guys remember the One Tease episode where Yusung says that Sunny's eyebrow looks like the, what was it called? Oh my god, I forgot. The sickle, was it? Or something like that? Yeah.
이게 무엇입니까? 그 아무도 이걸 보고 기억자라고 하지 않습니다.
저 데자뷰 산이 눈썹 모양인데?
맞네요. 얇은 눈썹이었어요, 저 때는.
맞죠?
아, 지명 좋은데?
산이 한참 꽂혀있던 그 눈썹 모양?
이걸 비교사님 선보여주세요.
Oh, Mingy. Woo! Deja Vu Mingy was so hot. And Uyong with his blue hair. Oh my god, these are amazing. Oh, this makes up for everything. I'm so happy I ordered this album. Woo! Jungwoo! Baby Jungwoo. Yay! My stickers! Yay! I've got Deja Vu stickers and Fever. And their old logo. Oh, sorry. Yay! It's all in blue. So, let's get started with the photo book. Michoga. No, you get deja vu. Ah, Captain. No way. No way. Oh my god. Okay. More Captain. Okay. Oh, he's so beautiful. Okay, and then we have more Captain. This is the outfit. Woo! So oh, majestic. Big man. more majestic. Deja vu. So warm. Love Take Me Home so much. It always brings me to tears. You know. I love Yuno's dancing in Deja Vu. There it is. I can't believe looking back then, like I didn't know who they were, but when I first listened to Deja Vu, it was, I think, during the Mama Awards. I wasn't that into K-pop at the time. It was 2020, end of 2020, yeah, I guess, or 2021, I don't remember when they performed. I have to look that up. Oh, Yusangi. And then I heard Deja Vu. Then I was like, who's that? And I kept listening to Deja Vu like on repeat. I saw the vampire performance video. More Yusangi. And I saw fireworks, I saw things. It was during that time, I think it's all 2021. And I was like really impressed with them, but there weren't that many songs at the time. So I was like, oh man, I want more. But there wasn't that many. Sunny. To think that Sunny, I was watching the Treasure film the other day and Sunny was like, I have a low self-esteem and I know that you guys like, sometimes my low self-esteem like can bring you guys down and stuff. It's funny how he had low self-esteem and look at him now, he's just breaking the stage. He's amazing. They've all come a long way. I'm so proud of them. And more Sunny. So yeah, back to my ATEEZ story. And then I got distracted with other bands. I went through a Taemin phase. Miggy. And I think I listened to Taemin for like a year in SHINee. And then EXO. And then Stray Kids. And then in Hypin, the boys. I still love them. But I feel like my ATEEZ love had gotten reborn after Bouncy and Crazy 4. I think specifically after Crazy 4. So now I'm a proud 18-year and I follow them religiously. I love being an 18-year-old young. Yeah, I think I love being an 18-year more than I love being a stay. I still am a stay, but and I do follow like Stray Kids' news. I listen to their new releases and everything. But it's hard being a multi-stan. I don't know how you guys do it. But for me, it's hard. I usually just focus on one band. Because it's hard focusing on multiple ones and giving them the same kind of love and support. I don't know if you guys face the same issue. Jungwoo. I'll probably make a video about that. I hope stays are not going to be angry with me. More Jungwoo. I love the blue theme. Everything is blue. Okay, now I want to watch a Deja Vu video. Okay, it's Captain, Yo-Yo, and Sungwon and Young. So yeah. When did you guys fall in love with ATEEZ? Is it Deja Vu era? Is it Wonderland? From the beginning, Pirate King. I can't believe Pirate King was your debut song. That just kicks so much ass. More Captain. Oh, this black and white one is amazing. Oh, I'm gonna scan it and put it as a a wallpaper. Okay, and then more majestic sunwall. It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful picture. I'll definitely scan that as well. Okay. More sunwall. Oh, I love the black and white. Yeah, so I think those boys are really, really talented. They work hard to prove themselves. So it doesn't matter whether you come from a big company or not. This has nothing to do with how talented you are, hardworking you are. So in your face, other people, other bands from big companies, and you don't have the same talent as ATEEZ. Sorry about that, but that's just the harsh truth. Yusangi. Yeah, so it's not about big companies. Always the underdogs that seem to... But I don't think they're underdogs anymore. Maybe the company still is, but not after Coachella. They have brought up so much heat and risen up so much heat that I'm pretty sure they're going to be part of a, more bigger and bigger events and festivals this year. This is going to be ATEEZ's year. Mark my words. I'm 100% sure. Okay, and then we have Sunny. More Sunny. I can't stop looking at his eyebrows, and remembering what Yusong said. It's just so funny. And more Mingy. I love the black and white and blue. Their stylists are amazing. They make me want to become a stylist because I get so much inspiration from them. I'll post more videos on that. Young. Oh, I love the black and white. Sorry. And this is the colored one. And more Ouyang. So handsome. So sweet. Such a beautiful smile he has. Our baby Jongwoo Maknae. Oh my god, his vocals. It's just insane. He's the best vocalist in the history of K-pop. I dare you to find another amazing vocalist like him. And this is the final. This is the final one in Deja Vu when they're all standing. And these are the credits. Choreography. This is the choreography for Deja Vu. Eternal Sunshine. BB Trippin'. Madrid in Deja Vu. And that's it. That's it, you guys. Hope you've enjoyed this unboxing episode and my ATEEZ rant. I can talk about those boys like for hours and never get sick of it. So this was Fever, and earlier I unboxed the Movement EP as well. I've got a lot of Yusong goodness. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next unboxing video after I hopefully will be able to share with you the whole DVD for the Dear Diary Fever one. Okay, so thank you guys. Annyeong. Have a good day. Bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support me and support the channel, so I would be bringing you more K-pop goodies. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.